I'm Anil Kumar, and here is a very important test question. It has come many times in the test paper. Create a linear inequality with both constant and linear terms on each side, for which solution is x is greater than minus 1 and less than 7. So we need to create a double inequality whose solution is given to us. The solution is given to us as x is less than 7 but greater than minus 1. How are you going to do it? So in this case we follow reverse steps. Reverse steps means we can multiply every term by some number. Let it be 3. So if we multiply everything by 3, I get minus 3 is less than 3x is less than 3 times 7 as 21. And now we can add or subtract some number, right? So if I add, let us say, if I add number 5, for example, then I get minus 3 plus 5 is less than 3x plus 5 is less than 21 plus 5. And that gives us 3x plus 5 is less than 21 plus 5 is 26, and on this side we get 2. So 3x plus 5 becomes a linear term. Now the question here is, create a linear inequality with both constant and linear terms on each side, right? So we basically had to create it on each side. So what we did not do here is we really do not have the inequality with x terms on the left side. So this is kind of a partial solution. So if you do this, you do get a right solution, but in this solution what you note here is that the linear term is not on each side. Correct? So let us redo it, right? I'm sorry for that. Let us redo it, right? So let's redo it and we'll start all over again. So we have minus 1 is less than x is less than 7. Now since we need x in every term, let us add x on every side. So here we have minus 1 plus x is less than, when you add x, let me write plus x here, less than 7 plus x, right? So now at this stage, we can write this as x minus 1 is less than 2x and is less than 7 plus x. So we do have variable x. Now here we do not have a constant. So let us add something like plus 2. So let's add plus 2. Then what do we get? We get x minus 1 plus 2 is less than 2x plus 2 is less than 7 plus x plus 2. Simplify, we get x plus 1 is less than 2x plus 2 is less than x plus 9. Now if you look at the inequality, you have linear term in each side. So we have linear terms on each side. Do you see that part? Now what we find in most of the test papers is many of the students will do this way, right? This is not a complete answer. Since we do have a linear term, but it is only in the center, it is not on each side. Here if you see, we have a linear term like y equals to mx plus b, right, on each side, and that is what it means by saying on each side. So I wanted to bring this to your notice, because of which this example is there before you. I hope you understand and appreciate it. You can subscribe to my videos and learn a lot. Thank you and all the best.